Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are going to do a wash day routine, something very simple, not a lot of steps, so let's get started. And before I forget guys, don't forget to hit that like button. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is hot oil our hair. I always do this for my wash day routine guys. Sometimes I will use the gel, the African Pride. I love that product, but most of the time I will be hot oiling my hair. And I did divide this into sections, make my life a lot easier when I want to make sure my scalp is pretty clean. I go in, detangle each section, and I go in there and make sure there's no tangle and finger detangle, and use the comb guys, and then I apply my oil. I do apply it from root to tip, so if you do want to apply it just to your tips, that's fine as well, but make sure that your hair is completely covered. It is hot oil and ready to go. So now that we have every strand oil, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cover this with a plastic cap. I usually leave this for about an hour while I'm doing things around the house, so that way it gives it plenty of time to soak and treat it. So next we are going to shampoo. As you can see guys, my hair looks a lot hydrated, that warmth is in there, so oil is penetrated, and I'm going to add my shampoo to my scalp. I always go ahead and add the shampoo to my scalp. I do wet my hair a little bit guys. I'm doing this out of the shower to show you, but I always wet my hair and then put the shampoo in there. I go throughout all the roots and I make sure there's plenty of shampoo in there, so don't be shy. You guys see I use a lot of shampoos all the time, and I'm gonna use my massage brush to just go in. This gives me a really good massage while I'm cleaning my hair, so not only it helps to pick up a lot of residue, a lot of scalp buildup, this gives you a massage as well while you're doing this. So doing this gives you a clean scalp as well as you get a great massage out of this. It's really effective, not just using my fingers. So now that my hair is clean, rinse out with the shampoo, I'm gonna go ahead with this deep conditioner. I'm using that Shea Moisture Greens conditioner guys. Love this product. It's a great deep treatment to use. It helped my strands so much, and I try my best not to put it on the scalp because I did such a good job at cleaning it. I don't want any more product to build up on there. I want to keep it as clean as possible, so I go on all the ends and put it on there, and then I go around the edges, make sure those are covered, and I put in a plastic cap. I leave this on for about 30 minutes. While that's on, it's a great opportunity to take advantage of the time, and I usually will do a detox mask, and this is just a Shea Moisture clay mask. I'll leave this in for about 15 minutes and go and rinse it out with my hair. So once that's done guys, you're gonna go in the shower, rinse off your clay mask, make sure all of it is rinsed out. I'm gonna go and rinse my hair. I have a great shower head. I love it because it has such a nice pressure to it that it helps rinse out my hair quite fast, so I don't have to sit under the shower as much. You guys can see it just goes through and rinse everything out. I love it. Absolutely love how fast it gets in there. Take out all the deep conditioner. It is a rather thick conditioner, so I love that I don't have to spend as much time. If you guys see, I'm using that same brush all throughout. It's just to make sure all my edges, all that extra product I put in there is being cleared out. And I love how hydrated my hair looks, how much you can actually see curl definition in there. It's not a big deal to me, but I always love how hydrated it looks. So I love the result of that deep conditioner. I rinse everything out with warm water first, so at the end I'll use some cold water to do a final rinse to make sure all the products are out of my hair, as well as to make sure that I close back my cuticles guys, to help keep in as much moisture as possible. And I just love the result. I love that my scalp is super clean. So guys, if you do need to shampoo not just once but twice, make sure that you do it so you can end up with a clean scalp, get all the products rinsed out, and make sure your hair is clean and ready to go. Now the next step, guys, is to put in some leave-in and some butters. After I wash my hair now, I don't put oils right away in it the first day. I will go in, dry it out about 80% with the towel, and then I will go in and put some leave-in. And you can use any leave-in that works for you. I'm just making sure that all my hair is covered with this leave-in. Everything is moisturized. I just want to make sure no part of my hair is going to be dry. I want to make sure all of it does get that leave-in treatment, so it can help with the moisture, keeps the hydration, and keeps it healthy. And I do go in and massage this, and if you guys can see, there's a few parts that have that white cast, so that's a little bit of extra product. And afterwards, I go in with the shea butter I have. So this is my shea butter mix, guys. I'm just going in all over my hair. I'm doing pretty loose twists. This will help to separate my hair and help it dry completely. So that way the product is in, I have everything hydrated, it's covered, and my hair is gonna get a chance to finish air drying. After I've done all my twists, put everything in, I do like to go in right now with the blow dryer. This is on cool setting. I'm not using the heat. I'm just going in and blowing it just a little bit more because I put in the leave-in. It is a little bit more wet than I would like it to be. If this step doesn't bother you, go ahead and just skip the little cold blow drying. So this is, guys, my wash day routine right now. Nothing fancy, not a big change from what I usually would do. Just a couple of steps to get your hair clean. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you know when I have new videos out. Of course, guys, if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to post a lot more on there, so go ahead and follow me over there. And as always, go over and watch my last video.